Well, welcome to Beans, Brews and Bread for the main crop potato reveal. So we cut all the haulms off just a couple of weeks ago, just in case we were going to get any late blight. They looked like they might have been a bit affected, but not too sure. So took all the haulms off, which is recommended to sort of prevent the blight from going any further down into the tubers and affecting their storing quality. So I've not quite a full row, but not too fussed about having a great big massive 25 kilo sacks of main crop potatoes, but we'll see what we get here, shall we? One tip for your potato harvests: these Amazon shopping bags that you get when you get your groceries are great for your potatoes if you haven't got any 25 kilo sacks knocking around. Now this variety was Kerr's Pink, which I've grown a few years before, but just only a few potatoes. So I'm hoping we should get half decent crop here if we're lucky. So fingers crossed. So try and get the... I did actually plant these quite deep, if from memory serves me right. So if we're lucky, we should have quite a good harvest. Some were a bit hit and miss this year. Oh, that's a good one. How are we doing? They are very pink. Not bad size, little one. Oh, wow. That's a great one. Look at that. Very knobbly. Supposed to have a great taste though, these. Really hoping we should get some good keepers out of these. Look at that. That's some absolutely stonking size. Oh, they just keep on coming. Oh. Very nice size. Oh, managed to avoid. Look at that. That's an absolute whopper. That's brilliant. Really happy with that. Yep, they do go down very deep. Some little ones. Maybe we'll keep those for seed for next year. Wow! That's amazing. I have not had potatoes like that for donkey's years. That was, I think, due to putting some decent muck down at the time we planted those, but that's amazing. And that one, look at that. There's no blight on them, they're really clean. No slug damage. That's a brilliant spud. That knocks your potatoes in containers for a cocked hat, I think. Wow. Well, I'm going to carry on with this row and see how far we get with the yield. Really happy with that. More whoppers. See, if I was happy, I'd be happy with a size like that, to be honest, but nearly twice the size. Some of these. Wow, unbelievable. What a yield. You just keep on coming. Looks like the yield might be dropping off a little bit. Oh, no, there we go. Spoke too soon. Wow. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Plenty left. Yep. Bit smaller on that one. Still some good sizes. Wow, another good haul there. Wow, that's much better. Well, that was quite the haul. Let's go and weigh it up. So we'll offer the bag up and see how much we got. So we'll try and offer this up now. Oh. God, I can't even do it. Wow. That is kilograms, 10, well, 12 and a half. 12 and a half kilos of spuds. Goodness me. Very impressed with that haul. That is seriously impressive. No blight, no scab, very little in the way of any pest damage either, and really clean too. Look at that. That is really impressive. Very happy with that. I'm really happy with the yield as well. What a weight. Well, very happy with that. That has got to be the best yield for any potatoes I've ever had, particularly main crop. Never really done them before. Always had people say, oh, don't bother, they're cheaper in the shops. You'll get blight anyway. Honestly, that lot really impressed. So with those Kerr's pink and the Alouette that were an early main crop variety, I think I might be sold on doing main crop next year. So 12.5 kilo from just one row. Don't think you can beat that. Even the ones in the shops, main crop potatoes, they're all just from storage anyway, over a year old. So hopefully these will last us a good while over winter and into next year. Well, thanks for watching today. That's been a great potato reveal. Do give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and do my comments. Have you done any of your main crop potatoes? What kind of yield have you got? Can you beat 12.5 kilo for one row? Let us know down below. See you later. Bye.